Solana generally is a highest-level cryptographic money at present estimated at $157.72 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $69.955 at 25,523, which fundamentally is very critical. Over the past, in every practical sense, not many years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out serious areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and basically are currently being exchanged. Comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forks in an especially significant way. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and merchants explicitly are genuinely keen on digital currencies, for example, Sol, since this in every way that really matters is ostensibly the most open monetary market where various resources explicitly have the by and large potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally lovely brief time frame, or so they in a real sense thought. These profits are truly impossible in different business sectors, which in every practical sense is the motivation behind why most exceptionally moderate financial backers especially are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana, while the groundbreaking ones commit a critical part of their truly cash flow to this quickly, creating resource class in a very huge manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $157.72 where it presently sits, which basically is very huge. As currently referenced, Sol really is a highest-level cryptographic money since it possesses the 5th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the especially metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Solana, the market capitalization basically remains at $69.955 at 25,523. The significance of this boundary will explicitly be in a real sense made sense of later, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation calculation by and large is planned in truly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily truly survey the condition of their portfolio and for the most part choose whether or not it especially needs to truly be reconfigured, which essentially is genuinely critical. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is essential for the exceptionally right assessment of both especially current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its genuinely present and future heading, or so they by and large thought. Beneath you will, in every practical sense, find commonly key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could basically have a comprehension of where the Solana market is going, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on Walk 12, Sol fundamentally was esteemed at $148.75 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings truly. Recall that cryptographic forms of money truly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which basically is genuinely huge. The cost change rate-wise over the said period most certainly added up to 472%, which is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on Walk 6, Solana in every practical sense was exchanged at $125.84 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift. From that basically near its present situation in an essentially significant manner. On February 13, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $107.49, the cost level that is at the distance of 46.73% from where it as of now in a real sense remains in an especially huge manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX especially are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing them. Cost forecasts, which especially is very huge. Market capitalization basically is one more significant by and large metric that truly assists brokers generally with deciding the fame of the cryptographic money being referred to as well as its future possibilities in an unpretentious manner. It's additionally used to in a real sense survey the offer that Solana generally holds inside the for the most part whole digital money market, which explicitly is very huge. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to is duplicated by its current cost, which shows that the cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX by and large are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing that. Cost expectations, or so they in every practical sense thought. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of Sol remains at $69,955 at $25,523, enough to name it the fifth kind of the biggest coin on the digital money market. Further appearance how over the past really couple of years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and essentially are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms forks. Yesterday on Walk 12, the market capitalization of Solana in every practical sense remained at $65,976,301.21, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 7 days prior on Walk 6, the capitalization of Sol for the most part was $55,674,330,752 in a significant manner. A month prior, on February 13, how much genuinely? Capital streaming around this by and large specific market basically added up to $47,706,171, so 7 days prior on Walk 6, Solana really was exchanged at $125.84 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that very near its current situation incredibly. Most cryptographic money financial backers stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related within in every practical sense. Certain cryptographic money and its capacity to basically endure disturbances which by and large are the kind of normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, showing how our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in truly such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource, being referred to give our endorsers the most dependable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily explicitly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and basically choose whether or not it actually needs to basically be reconfigured, or so they truly thought. The complete inventory of Sol right now explicitly remains at 571,687,435 coins, which especially is very huge. The coursing supply of the digital money under survey generally is 443,533,434 Sol, which especially is genuinely huge. This Solana cost expectation wouldn't in a real sense be in every practical sense complete without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the essentially metric utilized by, for all intents and purposes, all digital money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain essentially is happening on the rear of the especially low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move by and large is unreasonable and would especially bring about a bullish snare, or so they fundamentally thought. Thusly, it's essential to in a real sense break down the fundamentally past and the especially current exchanging volume of Sol request to in a real sense comprehend whether this market